Shiba Inu reaches a critical level. Is it time to change course? The Shiba Inu coin is at a critical support level right now, and if it drops below this 880 points per coin mark, it will be very interesting to see who stays, who believes in the development team, and the next directions for Shiba Inu. Now we're going to talk a little bit about that in this video, but I also want to comment to you a little bit about the frustration that arises. Because you know there's obviously some kind of bickering in the Shiba team. I think, if you were in a leadership position, you should act like a leader. Even if you're just in a scenario where you know this has the spotlight on you, you should act like the spotlight. Others are trying to build them up, but it's very interesting to see how the frustration is developing with the lead developers like SHAITOSHI, and in the decisions that he makes as a young child. So let's talk a little bit about the drama that's going on in the Shiba Inu ecosystem team. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on Shiba Inu and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is the first time you are watching one of our videos, we send you a special welcome. We invite you to click the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are going to announce that this channel has a giveaway of 5 million Shiba Inu tokens. To have the chance to participate, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment with the hashtag Shiba Inu. The winner will be announced on 15th of May. First of all, Shiba Inu-focused Twitter account Lucy has hinted at an incoming announcement for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Lucy SHIB tweeted about the possibility of a Shiba Inu cold wallet announcement this week. A cold wallet is a type of cryptocurrency wallet that securely stores a user's private keys offline, usually on a physical device, protecting against potential attacks and theft. The screenshot shared says that an update or announcement about the Inu Shiba cold wallet will be provided in the next few days, or even sooner if things go well. The screenshot also says, just a small update. Currently arranging general AMA with Huobi, AMA with CertiK, and possible partnership. According to the initial announcement of the Shiba Inu cold wallet, the Shiba Inu development team is considering working with two well-known figures in the industry, presumably Huobi and CertiK, regarding the launch of the wallet. Further details on this were not available at the time of publication. Guys, let's jump into these discussions between kids real quick, and then let's jump into the critical levels that the Inu Shiba coin is seeing, and really what we need to see happen here now. This article goes on to say that prominent crypto influencer, BitBoy, had trouble executing a transaction for a meme coin that he holds, which prompted reactions from people, including the lead developer of Shiba Inu. Ben Armstrong, commonly known as BitBoy, was taunted for his inability to execute a transaction for a meme coin he currently holds. Among the people commenting on the surprising event was SHAITOSHI, the lead project manager of the Shiba Inu ecosystem Shiba Inu. Basically, he was having trouble selling and never actually executed the transaction, just put up his exchange and never confirmed the transaction. Anyway, this doesn't serve to show you that he has no idea what he's talking about. It was a simple mistake. He admitted he was making a mistake, that there were no liquidity issues with the token he was exchanging, and deleted the tweet saying there was a problem with the cryptocurrency in question, and basically said it was user error. However, SHAITOSHI was trying to stick the dagger in there by saying, "I rest my case, Your Honor number one, it's only Your Honor. There are never multiple judges in a situation, it's one judge." But regardless of that, we all know SHAITOSHI is probably not English. A lot of people want to get clarity information when it comes to the Shiba Inu ecosystem, instead of using their account with almost 1 million followers to mess with other people. That's the kind of thing I don't necessarily like. But let's move on. I want to talk about these critical support levels that the Shiba Inu coin is seeing right now, because it's going to change the game for a lot of people if Shiba Inu drops a lot more. Our token is trading between 880 and 900 points per coin, one of the lowest levels we've seen since it's made a name for itself. Another 10 to 15% decline in price could be testing historic lows, and I say that in quotes because clearly, early 2021 is when it was at historic lows, but nobody was investing in it, nobody really cared about it, it wasn't on the board, it wasn't a Dogecoin killer or anything like that in early 2021. In fact, it was a dead coin, and since it came to life, it went up to 3,500 points per coin in May of 2021. It dropped to around 500 points per coin after that rally, but once it took off in September, October, and November of 2021, the lowest levels we've seen range from 750 to 780 points per coin. If Shiba starts to test new lows, we're going to test the strength of both the cryptocurrency and the community. I think those who are here to ride it out and those who have a long-term mindset will be fine. They may average down, they may continue to buy and so on, but it couldn't come at a worse time. Really, Shiba Inu became famous as a currency. Now, along the way, we've shifted our focus to this long-term mindset because the whole cryptocurrency market is down and the Shiba Inu coin, the team is building an ecosystem around it. So there's been a lot of development and progress in the last few years, but it started as a meme coin. It's very hard for investors who got in new, while the meme coin rally was going on, to see things like Pepe and all these other tokens right now increasing in value and just sit on the sidelines in Shiba Inu. If it drops below these historic lows and quotes, I understand it's not the historic low, but if the Shiba Inu coin drops below such levels, people will be very tempted because that's their nature. That's why they got into Shiba Inu in the first place. They're going to be very tempted to take that money to put it where it moves, into other meme currencies, especially if it accumulates in Pepe and those others continue to move higher. So I'm wondering what you guys think. Do you think Shiba Inu will test new lows, or do you think this is kind of a bottom and that we're going to be able to bounce out and get a nice rally in both the cryptocurrency space as well as in the Shiba Inu coin? Write us your answer in the comments section. Finally, PayPal has $1 billion in cryptocurrencies on the balance sheet, records show. The payments company allowed customers to withdraw crypto assets to personal wallets in June. PayPal CEO Dan Schulman said he was bullish on cryptocurrencies of all kinds during a Web Summit event in 2020, after admitting he personally owned Bitcoin in 2019. In March 2022, he added that CBDCs, stablecoins, and digital wallets will redefine much of the financial world in the future. PayPal co-founder Peter Thiel has shown particular respect for the power of Bitcoin in the past, suggesting it could undermine the global strength of the US dollar. However, his venture capital firm sold all of its cryptocurrency holdings in 2023 after remaining in HODL for 8 years. So we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video and don't forget to subscribe. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.